Hi guys, welcome to my video. This is going to be something a little different for me. This is going to be my May Boxy Charm unboxing, and I am just going to jump right in and show you what I received. Okay, I opened it up. I couldn't wait. Had to show my husband. So here we go, guys. Look at this glam glow. Oh my gosh. All right, so in the Boxy Charm you get a card that gives you a little summary on each product, and they are all full-size products, and this month we got 5 full-size products. I believe that's what you usually get. I'm new to Boxy Charm, so anyway, and this month it's called, the theme is Make Waves. Isn't that pretty? Hey, it kind of goes with my nails. Those colors do. Anyway, so let's see. First thing that hit me right in the face. Alright, first thing that caught my attention is this Glam Glow box. Look at this. This is a gorgeous box. Okay, but what is it? It is Gentle Bubble Daily Conditioning Cleanser. And you guys know how expensive Glam Glow stuff is. Now it says condition, deep cleanse, face makeup removal. So those are the 3 things that it does. And it has green tea leaf in it, and I'm just gonna curious about what the packaging looks like. Oh wow, the packaging, look at this. That is nice. Look how big this is. This is pretty flipping awesome. Okay, so that's the first item I pulled out of the box. Next is Howto Eye Luster Cream Eyeshadow. Oh, I like the way the color, it's an umber. Isn't that pretty? Anyway, I get caught up in the packaging, guys. Okay, so this is Eye Luster Cream Eyeshadow from Howto. Howto is in London, or it's based in London. Oh, this is pretty, guys. Oh my gosh, this is gorgeous. It's called an Eye Luster Cream Eyeshadow. It's a purple, but it has an iridescence. I don't think you can see it on camera, but it has an iridescence. Okay. Ooh, golden. Oh, that's gorgeous. Wow, that's a lot of coverage. Wow, that is gorgeous, guys. Gorgeous. It's a lilac color with a golden shimmer. Beautiful. Love that. Gorgeous. Okay, next in the box, Dose of Colors. And this is Bittersweet Liquid Matte Lipstick. And the color, I guess, is Bittersweet. Let's see what it says. Liquid Matte Lipstick has a velvety, high fashion matte finish, which envelops lips in rich, long-wearing color. It applies as a creamy liquid, but after a few minutes it dries to an ultra comfortable matte finish. If you guys, any of you have used matte liquid lipsticks, sometimes they can really feel uncomfortable on the lips. Once they dry, your lips feel tight and dry. Look at that color. That is gorgeous. That is a nice, look at that color. Nice formula. It feels really like it says velvety. Very nice. Beautiful color. It's a bright poppy color, poppy red. Very nice. Next in the box is an eye pencil by a company called Bodyography. Never heard of them. That doesn't mean it's no good. Okay, let's see what it says. Vegan, cruelty-free lip pencil, antioxidant rich, infused with coconut oil, vitamin E, lip pencil? No. This is eyeliner. Okay, so they made a boo-boo because this is an eyeliner, and here they're describing it as a lip pencil. Typo. Okay, but anyway, let's see. Oh, that's really rich too. Okay, so that's the color. It's a nice blue. It almost has like a shimmer in it. Very nice. Nice for your waterline. And the color is midnight blue. All right. Seems to be pretty good. I'm gonna give it a try. Okay. So that is 4 items. The last item in here is, let's see what this is. It's by Alamar Cosmetics, and it says that it's a Colorette Blush Trio. I haven't heard of Alamar either. Highly pigmented, completely vegan, delivers a sun-kissed flush without the damage of the rays. Okay, so I am going to open this to see what this looks like. Okay, got it open. Alright, let's see what it looks like. Oh, how cute! Castaway, Paradise in English, Paraíso, and Scorcher. I am going to swatch them right here, right in front of you guys. Okay, so I'm going to try this one. This is Castaway, and it's a beautiful sun-kissed color. Ooh, it's a pretty yellowy orange. Very nice. Okay, and these are blushes. Okay, next one I'm gonna try is Paraíso. Oh, that's a really natural looking blush color. Oh, it's so pretty because it's creamy. It's not chalky. It's very creamy formula. Very nice. Okay, now the last one I'm gonna try is Scorcher. I'm gonna look for a clean finger, and I'm gonna put it next to the first one, Castaway, so we can compare and see how close. All right, I don't know if you can see the difference, but Scorcher is like an apricot color and Castaway is like a peachy color. I don't know if you can see that, but there we have it. And this is bomb. I am loving this. I'm going to wear this today. Okay, so that is it for the May BoxyCharm unboxing. I love these products. I'm new to BoxyCharm. I've been wanting to join because I've been collecting makeup like it's going out of business. And see these? If you really like these, check out the video. I show you how I did them. And I'm in love with these nails, guys. So that's it for the unboxing of my BoxyCharm May box. I love everything I got. Definitely gonna use everything. And thanks for tuning in. Love you guys, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. God bless.